Hello guys, today we are talking about the projector which is cheapest in the market and claims to deliver high-end display. This is eGate i9 LED projector that supports Full HD display and has about 800 into 400 native resolution. Well, here's the catch. Every projector that uses micro displays has a fixed array of pixels on those micro displays. That fixed array of pixel is known as the native resolution of the projector. So, native resolution is the true physical resolution of a projector, which in this case is 800 into 400. By the way, that is not even HD resolution. Your projector is programmed to upscale and support resolution up till 1080, which is full HD display. The point is, should it matter? Well, the answer is yes. If you are watching a video, this projector turns out to be a great color reproduction and looks okay. However, presentation on this projector may disappoint you as the text is of small size would not be readable. Here is the example. If you look at the YouTube screen, the video content appears clear. However, the text is scrambled. Also, the color reproduction is not at par with your laptop or TV. It has about 1000:1 high contrast ratio, which is good enough only if you're using it in a dark environment. It magnifies up to 120-inch large screen display and has an effective brightness of about 1500 lumen. To put that into perspective, one candle when lights up produces about 14 lumens of light. So 100 candles light up together will produce equivalent brightness as this projector, which is 1500 lumen. 1500 lumens is considered to be on the lower side as most of the modern projectors operate between 2500 to 3500 lumens. Company claims 30,000 hours runtime life of the lamp. Towards that, you may have to discard this device as there is no replacement of the lamp available to purchase. Well, that's what I discovered when I researched about it. This projector is independent of any source and you can directly stream content from USB. It also supports input from multiple interfaces, that is HDMI, VGA, SD card and audio in. The best out of all is the Mirrorcast. Yes, you heard me right. You can wirelessly connect your phone or laptop and stream the content directly to the projector. In addition to it, it also comes with inbuilt speakers which sounds like this. This projector is easy to install and carry as it weighs just about 700 grams. You can also use your tripod stand just like I did and set it up anywhere that you want. It is bundled with remote which allows you to carry out basic operations. Well, the button is flimsy and does not offer good feedback when keys are pressed. In the box, all you get is the power cable, remote and the projector. This cost about $85, roughly about 6,000 rupees in India, and is one of the best selling items in Amazon. The link is below. Post running rigorous test on all the aspects of this projector, this definitely turned out to be value for money. And it should not disappoint you by the amount of money that you have spent. So, those were my 2 bits about this device. You can post your query in the comment box and I shall get back to you with the answers. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for many more insights which are lined up. Till then, have a great time.